I tell you, one of the best feelings in the world is leaving work on Friday. Alright, so how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video. D-Cycle here on a Friday commute home edition of D-Cycle Motovlogs. And it's been a pretty slow week. I thought this week went by pretty freaking slow, but you know what? It's Friday, so all that's left behind me now. Just ready to get home. All this coronavirus stuff is going freaking AWOL. Like, my kids are going to be out of school for a while. It sounds like they're shutting down all the schools. The governor's, I guess he just declared it this afternoon. We'll be it's going to be interesting to see how this thing plays out. If you notice, I'm still only rocking one saddlebag. And if you follow my Instagram, you'll know that I just replaced the lid on it a couple weeks ago. And I thought I had it all fixed, ready to put on, but we're still waiting because the arm that goes around the docking point is still bent, right? And that's pretty important how it connects to the bike. So I just went ahead and ordered another one. And hopefully that's in by next weekend, and then I'll have both my bags again. But for now, I'm just half bagger bro, I guess. Is this considered a bagger if it comes with bag stock? How does that work? You guys need to let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm excited for that to have my whole bike back the way it was before I had my tip over and my bag flew down 66, all that. Man, that was, seems like forever ago. But it never did stop me from enjoying riding. You can always take the bags off and it just looks like a regular motorcycle. This light always takes forever. Come on. So what else is going on? I started a diet this month. Me and my wife decided to both go on this Whole30 diet that's going on, and she actually did it in January, and she lost like 15 pounds in 1 month, so she was very successful with it. So I was like, you know what? Like, I'm kind of getting a dad bod. You know, I'm getting the beer gut thing going on. I really don't like the way it looks on me, because one, it doesn't look right, and two, it's probably not healthy. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and do it this month with you. And we'll see how it goes. And so far, I've been doing it a week now, almost a week, and I'm already down, I think, like 3 pounds or more. So I have the potential, if I keep on track, of losing, I don't know, around that 15-pound number, and that would be great. Because this vest I bought with this hoodie is a little tight, and it would probably be nice if it could fit me a little bit better, because I really freaking love this vest and this hoodie. It's really awesome. It's going to be great for these spring rides. Green. Man, you guys down south have no idea what it's like to be able to ride your bike again after a hiatus. It's like Christmas. That's what this is. But I can say, yeah, we're jealous of you guys up here. We know you can ride year round, and that's awesome. I mean, I don't hate any of you for it. I just, you know, we kind of wish we had that here. But at the same time, you know, I'm a fan of seasons. I like seasons. I like seeing the trees fall and how it can be nice and cool on nights and really nice during the day. I just love the seasons. I mean, there's just something about it. And there's something about hearing a V-twin and this tab exhaust, man. Motorcycle season is upon us, and I couldn't be happier. There's gonna be lots more fun rides this year, and I can't wait. I want to do more charity rides, and I want to do just maybe some poker runs here and there. Midwest Moto meetup coming up in September, which I'm gonna do a video on very soon to kind of fill all you guys in if you don't know about the Midwest Moto meetup, to give you some more details on how freaking awesome this event's gonna be. Whew, It's a little breezy going home this way. Well, I'm on the subject of charity rides and stuff like that. I want you guys to know, just a little teaser, I got another fundraiser coming up really soon. I'm going to do a video explaining what the whole thing is and what it's for. So make sure you look out for that video. That should be coming very, very soon. I'm very excited for this one because I've even got some help from somebody else in the moto community, and I couldn't believe he reached out to me and said that he wanted to help. And it really struck me right here, knowing that there's such good-hearted people in this community, and it just speaks volumes about what we do on two wheels, you know, just besides riding and making noise. So what else is new? Oh yes, I was in the market for a while for a new phone mount, which I got one right here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it in a minute, but I'm going to tell you about the tragedy I had with the Ram Mount X Grip. Now, I had that Ram Mount X Grip ever since I had my Sporty, and I don't know if it's just because it fit a different size phone I had before, because I got the iPhone 8 now. I don't know what I had before, the 6 or something like that. So I guess it fit that phone just fine. You know, I didn't really have any problems, but this past riding season last year, you know, I was using the X Grip again when I got the Sport Glide, and I upgraded phones almost 2 years ago. But when I started using that X Grip, it would vibrate on that mount so much that it would slide down the grips, and it would butt dial 911 on me. And this happened on more than one occasion. I'm talking like at least a half a dozen times. And there's times where I've had to pull over, answer a phone call through my Sena headset, and explain to the 911 operator that, hey, there's nothing wrong, my phone just butt dialed 911. And, you know, luckily they're very understanding about what happened. And I just got to a point where I was like, man, I'm fed up with this. You know, it's about riding season. I don't want to have to put up with this problem again. I'm just going to go out, do a little research, and see what mounts are out there that are going to work for me, that I'm not going to have these same problems with. So, I'm not being sponsored by this. This is not, you know, I didn't get any free stuff for this video. But when I come across a product or use a product that I really like or really enjoy, or I think works really well, I want to share that with you guys, because you don't know what's out there, and you don't know what's better than what unless you hear about everything that is out there. But I came across this site on Instagram. I think it was actually an ad. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go right here and do that, because I'm always posting content and photos and stuff like that on that page, on my page there. But anyway, I stumbled across this ad for this new type of phone mount, and I'm like, okay, I haven't seen one like this before. And I'm like, this one actually looks like it's got some promise. So I went to the website, looked at it, and this is from Tackform Mounts. It's the Tackform Enduro series. Now, it fits several types of bar widths, but it fit the Sport Glide, so it should fit all the Softails just fine. I don't know what, you know, the touring models and all you other guys on your other manufacturers, what sizes your bar are, but if you want to go to their site, it's Tackform Mounts is the name of the company. I'm not too sure on the website, but I'll put it in the description below, and I'll put in the description below also a link to this exact model that I'm using if you guys want to check it out. But I mean, this thing has been rock solid for me on what the 3 or 4 rides I've done so far this year. I mean, this thing does not move, it barely vibrates. And what was so great about it was the assembly was really easy. It almost came out of the box, let's see, with 3 parts. The mount with the ball, the actual mount, and the actual mount clamp that goes around your bars, and then a sling, which you absolutely don't need for this phone mount, because once you put the phone in there, which I probably should have put it on here for this commute home, but I just left it in my pocket. I'm not going to get it out now, but maybe I'll do that when we get back to the house. But this is way better than the Ram Mount X Grip. And it was a little pricey. It was about 60 bucks or so. But man, considering what we pay for our cell phones, I will gladly pay that for a product that I know works very well, looks great, comes with this reinforced sling that you really don't even need. And they even say in the videos that you don't need it, but that's just extra insurance and peace of mind for us as riders, because you never know what's going to happen. And you need that phone in case something does. But everything, all the materials on this are substantial. It's just like, I don't know if it's all metal or mostly metal, but to have everything metal and the finish on this, and there's really heavy duty springs on this guy, so you just stick your phone, or you can do this with one hand. And it fits phones up to a certain size. I'll put those on the screen here. But yeah, go check if you're in the market for a phone mount, I would really recommend this one, because it's simple, it's simplistic, it's made of high quality materials, and it works. That's the main thing. Does it work? Because there are so many phone mounts out there, you don't know how they're going to do. What are you flashing at me for, dude? I'm going the speed limit, or a little faster. Usually when people flash their lights, there's police nearby. But I'm only going, well, right now I'm going 60. I was going 62, which I think is a safe speed, but I mean, that's not going to get me pulled over. I don't see any cops though. There's nobody sitting. No, I don't see anything. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for spending time on this channel once again. If you like today's video, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That way you know I got videos out just like this one. Until next time, enjoy your day, enjoy every mile, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, look at this freaking circus that is the alley behind my house. And what sucks is the city isn't going to fix this. And it's city property. And they say that we're responsible for it. This is a freaking disaster. Look at this. There are holes everywhere. Alright, let's show you how easy this mount is to do with one hand. I'm going to take my glove off for this. Oh God, this is tight. Everything's so tight. This is why I went on that diet. Okay. Here's my phone. Easy. Bam. Bam. And that thing ain't going anywhere. And like I said, if you want a little peace of mind, you could put this sling on. It is solid. It's not going anywhere. And it doesn't even, like, I'm putting my finger on it, and it's even barely any vibration. Good stuff. All right, I'm really leaving this time. See you guys.